Hi guys, welcome back to another unbox. Today we have another Awaretech product. This is the Awaretech MQ-U350 USB voice activated recorder. That was a mouthful. Essentially it's a little unit that you can put in a room or in an office situation and have about 25 days of standby time usage on it, or about 3 to 4 working days of recording time. It's voice or noise activated, and it's very simple and easy to get up and running. What I'll do now is we'll open the box and we'll go through all the little bits and pieces, and then we'll go do some demo audio for you. So let's get into it. So inside the box we have our instruction booklet, and we have a little USB drive. And not a lot to this guy. Pretty simple, easy to use little unit. What you have is you have your USB end on it, just there. And then on the other side, you essentially have your little switch. So this little switch has dots on it on one side, so there's 2 little dots and a line. So the 2 little dots turn it into voice activated recording mode. So all I do is I move this little switch here, that direction, voice activated mode, or I can go off, or I can go continuous recording. So you can easily do that while it's in your pocket, or you could have it hanging from a key ring if you wanted to, and easily be able to manipulate the recording modes on there and find one that suits the situation that you're in. But yeah, pretty easy to get up and running, guys. There is a little bit of software included with this guy on the USB that allows you to adjust the sensitivity and change the date or time. You will need a Windows-based computer to do that, I believe. But join us for the demos and then we'll go through the software. Alright guys, so here we are with the software for the Awaretech MQ range. So that entails the pen, the 2 pens, the USB drive and the magnetic power bank. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and open up the MQ drive just down here on the left hand side. Then we want to go to time setup, this executable file here, and you will need a PC in order to access this file. So then we want to double click on there, yes, and we've got our different quality settings we can have. So we've got XHQ or HQ, so you can flick between those two. The time and date will be relevant to your time zone, so it'll be the computer's time and date, whichever is displayed down the bottom right hand corner there. And then you've got your voice activation level. So +2 means it takes a higher volume to activate it, and -2 is a lower tone volume to activate it. So once you've altered that setting, if you wanted to, you would then press start. And it will save those settings for you. Then once it's all saved, so system setting.back appears, then you can go ahead and safely remove the unit by right clicking on the MQ and then hit eject, and then you're done. Thanks for joining us, guys. Hopefully that explains a little bit more on the software, just in case you're having issues with it. If you have any further questions, please give us a call on 0864543871 or send us an email, support@thespystore.com.au. Don't forget to check out our website too if you want to purchase any of these products, www.thespystore.com.au.